Do you want to speak English fluently? Then start learning short sentences every day from today, especially the sentences we have to use every day. Learn some questions and answers with it. Because if you want to speak English, you have to learn to ask questions. Today I will share 500 short sentences. These will help you to speak English faster. So, let's get started. Are you comfortable? Are you comfortable? Be careful. Be careful. Can you do me a favor? Can you do me a favor? Do you go to Delhi often? Do you go to Delhi often? Do you need anything else? Do you need anything else? Every day I get up at 6 a.m. Every day I get up at 6 a.m. Have you been to London? Have you been to London? Here you were. Here you were. How does it taste? How does it taste? How much do I owe you? How much do I owe you? I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I have a headache. I have a headache. I need to practice my English. I need to practice my English. I want to show you something. I want to show you something. I would like to rent a taxi. I would like to rent a taxi. I am 25. I am 25. I am married. I am married. Is it close? Is it close? Is this bus to Mumbai? Is this bus to Mumbai? It's a quarter past 10. It's a quarter past 10. Just a little. Just a little. My name is Smith. My name is Smith. On the right. On the right. Please write it down. Please write it down. Take this medicine. Take this medicine. That's not fair. That's not fair. There are many people here. There are many people here. Try it on. Try it on. What do you do for work? What do you do for work? What time did you go to sleep? What time did you go to sleep? What's wrong? What's wrong? When is the next bus to Kashmir? When is the next bus to Kashmir? Where is my phone? Where is my phone? About 50 kilometers. About 50 kilometers. Are you sure? Are you sure? Can I have the bill, please? Can I have the bill, please? Can you read this for me? Can you read this for me? Do you have anything cheaper? Do you have anything cheaper? Do you know how much it costs? Do you know how much it costs? Do you think it's possible? Do you think it's possible? From time to time. From time to time. He likes it very much. He likes it very much. He is very annoying. He is very annoying. His son. His son. How long is it? How long is it? How tall are you? How tall are you? I don't speak English very well. I don't speak English very well. I haven't finished eating. I haven't finished eating. I like Italian food. I like Italian food. I think it's very good. I think it's very good. I would like some more water. I would like some more water. I will call you. I will call you. I am coming to pick you up. I am coming to pick you up. I am going to America next year. I am going to America next year. I am sick. I am sick. Need anything else? Need anything else? Is that enough? Is that enough? It will arrive shortly. It will arrive shortly. It's over there. It's over there. It's too late. It's too late. More than 100 miles. More than 100 miles. No, it's okay, thanks. No, it's okay, thanks. Please call me. Please call me. She is pretty. She is pretty. I have come to bother you. I have come to bother you. That looks great. That looks great. The chair is in front of the table. The chair is in front of the table. They will return now. They will return now. Give me 2 glasses of water. Give me 2 glasses of water. What are you going to do tonight? What are you going to do tonight? What does this word mean? What does this word mean? What is the meaning of this word? What is the meaning of this word? What's in it? What's in it? When are you going? When are you going? Where can I exchange US dollars? Where can I exchange US dollars? Where did you learn English? Where did you learn English? Where's the nearest hospital? Where's the nearest hospital? Are you coming tonight? Are you coming tonight? Be quiet. Be quiet. Can you fix this? Can you fix this? Do you have a boyfriend? Do you have a boyfriend? Do you need anything? Do you need anything? Everyone knows it. Everyone knows it. Have you been waiting long? Have you been waiting long? Here's my number. Here's my number. How far is Mumbai? How far is Mumbai? How much does it cost per day? How much does it cost per day? I don't care. I don't care. I have a lot of things to do. I have a lot of things to do. I only have $10. I only have $10. I was at home then. I was at home then. I would like to send a fax. I would like to send a fax. I am 5 feet 10 inches. I am 5 feet 10 inches. I am not afraid. I am not afraid. Is it cold outside? Is it cold outside? Is this your book? Is this your book? It's less than $9. It's less than $9. Just a moment. Just a moment. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. He studies computer science. He studies computer science. On the first floor. On the first floor. Pardon me. Pardon me. I want to talk to him. I want to talk to him. That's not right. That's not right. Here are some apples. Here are some apples. Try it. Try it. Taste it. Taste it. Do you have a phone? Do you have a phone? What time did you wake up? What time did you wake up? What's your address? What's your address? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? Where did he come from? Where did he come from? Can't you stay a little longer? Can't you stay a little longer? Are you married? Are you married? Can I borrow some money? Can I borrow some money? Can you show me? Can you show me? Do you have any children? Do you have any children? Do you have a car number? Do you have a car number? Do you study English? Do you study English? Follow me. Follow me. He always does that for me. He always does that for me. She is in the kitchen. She is in the kitchen. She is very hardworking. She is very hardworking. How long have you been here? How long have you been here? How much do you earn? How much do you earn? I don't know. I don't know. I have to go to the office. I have to go to the office. He cancelled his trip to Paris. He cancelled his trip to Paris. I need to brush my teeth right now. I need to brush my teeth right now. Now I have to brush my teeth. Now I have to brush my teeth. I need to take a bath. I need to take a bath. I will have to take a bath. I will have to take a bath. I would like a room. I would like a room. I will call back later. I will call back later. I am bored. I am bored. I am from Brazil. I am from Brazil. I am okay. I am okay. It may rain tomorrow. It may rain tomorrow. It depends on the weather. It depends on the weather. It's not too far. It's not too far. The place is not far from here. It's really hot. It's really hot. It's too hot. It's too hot. Let's share. Let's share. See you next time. See you next time. Outside the hotel. Outside the hotel. He wants to know when you are coming. He wants to know when you are coming. He wants to know when you will come. He wants to know when you will come. I need some books. I need some books. Thanks for your help. Thanks for your help. Or thanks for the cooperation. Thanks for the cooperation. That's wrong. That's wrong. Or that's not right. That's not right. These books are ours. These books are ours. She works as a waitress. She works as a waitress. We are late. We are late. What does your father do? What does your father do? What time is it? What time is it? When are they coming? When are they coming? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? Where would you like to go? Where would you like to go? Where will I post this letter? Where will I post this letter? They haven't met her yet. They haven't met her yet. Or they have not met the girl yet. They have not met the girl yet. I like it very much. I like it very much. What are you doing? What are you doing? What does this say? What does this say? Or what does it mean? What does it mean? What would you like to eat? What would you like to eat? Or what do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? When are you leaving? When are you leaving? Or when will you go? When will you go? Where can I buy medicine? Where can I buy medicine? Where did you go? Where did you go? Where's the mailbox? Where's the mailbox? Anything else? Anything else? At 4 o'clock in the afternoon. At 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Can I use your phone? Can I use your phone? Did you come with your family? Did you come with your family? Do you know where my key is? Do you know where my key is? Do you want to go with me? Do you want to go with me? Good idea. Good idea. He studies at Calcutta University. He studies at Calcutta University. How do I get to Mumbai? How do I get to Mumbai? Or how do I go to Mumbai? How do I go to Mumbai? How many languages do you speak? How many languages do you speak? Hurry up. Hurry up. I don't want that. I don't want that. I made this cake. I made this cake. I trust you. I trust you. I would like to eat at a restaurant. I would like to eat at a restaurant. I will pay. I will pay. I am very busy. I am very busy. Is there a store near here? Is there a store near here? It's a 7:45. It's a 7:45. I have arrived there in the morning. I have arrived there in the morning. My phone doesn't work. My phone doesn't work. It's not too long ago. It's not too long ago. Speak a little slower. Speak a little slower. Sorry, we don't have. Sorry, we don't have. This is a good college. This is a good college. The books are expensive. The books are expensive. This house is very big. This house is very big. What color is this car? What color is this car? What is the date today? What is the date today? What's the matter? What's the matter? When does your work end? When does your work end? Where do you work? Where do you work? Which one do you want? Which one do you want? Give me a ticket. Give me a ticket. Are you ready? Are you ready? Can you give me a glass of water? Can you give me a glass of water? Do you know swimming? Do you know swimming? Do you have any money? Do you have any money? Do you hear that? Do you hear that? Do you think it will rain today? Do you think it will rain today? Forget it. Forget it. He doesn't look like a doctor. He doesn't look like a doctor. He has not come yet. He has not come yet. His family is coming tomorrow. His family is coming tomorrow. How long have you been here? How long have you been here? How much do you want to take? How much do you want to take? I don't like it. I don't like it. I have two brothers. I have two brothers. I like her. I like her. I think I need to go to the doctor. I think I need to go to the doctor. I would like a single room. I would like a single room. I will call you when I go. I will call you when I go. I am feeling cold. I am feeling cold. I am getting ready to go out. I am getting ready to go out. I am ready. I am ready. Is John there, please? Is John there, please? It has rained heavily today. It has rained heavily today. It's all right. It's all right. It may rain tomorrow. It may rain tomorrow. May I speak to John, please? May I speak to John, please? No problem. No problem. Over there. Over there. He is going with me tomorrow. He is going with me tomorrow. Someone is coming. Someone is coming. This phone is similar to my phone. This phone is similar to my phone. Or, this phone is just like my phone. This phone is just like my phone. The big one or the small one? The big one or the small one? They take $100 per day. They take $100 per day. I have two boys and one girl. I have two boys and one girl. Were you at the library last night? Were you at the library last night? What does this mean? What does this mean? What would you like to drink? What would you like to drink? When will you pick up them? When will you pick up them? Where are you? Where are you? Where did it happen? Where did it happen? Where is the nearest ATM? Where is the nearest ATM? Or, where's the closest ATM? Where's the closest ATM? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Can I access the internet here? Can I access the internet here? Would you repeat that, please? Would you repeat that, please? Or would you please tell me again? Would you please tell me again? Do you have more? Do you have more? Do you have enough money? Do you have enough money? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Please give me the pen. Please give me the pen. Have you seen this movie? Have you seen this movie? He is faster than me. He is faster than me. He is very famous. He is very famous. How long does it take to get to London? How long does it take to get to London? How much money do you have? How much money do you have? I don't know how to use it. I don't know how to use it. He has 3 children, 2 girls and 1 boy. He has 3 children, 2 girls and 1 boy. I have not had lunch yet. I have not had lunch yet. I still have a lot to do. I still have a lot to do. I would like a non-smoking room. I would like a non-smoking room. I will be right back. I will be right back. I am an American. I am an American. I'm fine, and you? I'm fine, and you? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Is it ready? Is it ready? It costs $30 per hour. It costs $30 per hour. It does not suppose to rain today. It does not suppose to rain today. It's raining. It's raining. Let's practice English. Let's practice English. Never mind. Never mind. Our children are in London. Our children are in London. See you tonight. See you tonight. Should I wait? Should I wait? Thanks for everything. Thanks for everything. That's too much. That's too much. There's a plenty of time. There's a plenty of time. The waiter cleared the table. The waiter cleared the table. We are from Brazil. We are from Brazil. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? What time is checkout? What time is checkout? What's your religion? What's your religion? Where are you from? Where are you from? Where can I find a hospital? Where can I find a hospital? Where were you? Where were you? Lisa is John's girlfriend. Lisa is John's girlfriend. Are your children with you? Are your children with you? Can I take a message? Can I take a message? Come here. Come here. Do you know what this says? Do you know what this says? Do you want to come with me? Do you want to come with me? Good afternoon. May I help you? Good afternoon. May I help you? He said, this is a nice place. He said, this is a nice place. How are your parents? How are your parents? How many children do you have? How many children do you have? How is the weather? How is the weather? I don't understand. I don't understand. I like you. I like you. I thought he said something else. I thought he said something else. I would like to buy something. I would like to buy something. I will pay for dinner. I will pay for dinner. I am good and you? I am good and you? I am thirsty. I am thirsty. Is there a nightclub in this town? Is there a nightclub in this town? From 6 a.m., John is on the telephone. From 6 a.m., John is on the telephone. I have already seen it. I have already seen it. My car was hit by another car. My car was hit by another car. Nobody is there right now. Nobody is there right now. Spoken English sentences for beginners. Go straight ahead. Go straight ahead. I lost my mobile. I lost my mobile. You have too many books. You have too many books. I want to buy a house. I want to buy a house. I will buy this thing too. I will buy this thing too. I am going to leave. I am going to leave. I am busy just now. I am busy just now. I will be busy tomorrow. I will be busy tomorrow. Sorry, it's all my fault. Sorry, it's all my fault. I am a stranger here. I am a stranger here. I have forgotten your name. I have forgotten your name. A strong wind is blowing. A strong wind is blowing. My car is not working. My car is not working. Nobody is helping us. Nobody is helping us. The car is very expensive. The car is very expensive. They are very busy. They are very busy. Please sit down. Please sit down. The key is on top of the table. The key is on top of the table. Spoken English sentences every day. He is waiting for me. He is waiting for me. The book is on the table. The book is on the table. That smells bad. That smells bad. I won't mention it again. I won't mention it again. I am sorry to be late again. I am sorry to be late again. Please fill out this form. Please fill out this form. He never gives me anything. He never gives me anything. Don't forget to call me. Don't forget to call me. I am sorry to interrupt you. I am sorry to interrupt you. We don't accept credit cards. We don't accept credit cards. I don't understand your words. I don't understand your words. Sorry, I am calling the wrong number. Sorry, I am calling the wrong number. I am sorry to have kept you waiting. I am sorry to have kept you waiting. I can't express how sorry I am. I can't express how sorry I am. Delhi is completely different from Kashmir. Delhi is completely different from Kashmir. Please excuse me for arriving late. Please excuse me for arriving late. He is a Mason. He is a Mason. I don't have enough money. I don't have enough money. I have one in my house. I have one in my house. I can speak 3 languages. I can speak 3 languages. If I had a house too. If I had a house too. I will buy more if you like them. I will buy more if you like them. I am allergic to eggs. I am allergic to eggs. I am allergic to cats. I am allergic to cats. It's close to the market. It's close to the market. Let's go. Let's go. My wallet is stolen. My wallet is stolen. Open the door. Open the door. See you later. See you later. That's too late. That's too late. There's a bank near here. There's a bank near here. Turn right. Turn right. Call the police. Call the police. He is coming soon. He is coming soon. I don't have time right now. I don't have time right now. I have a headache. I have a headache. I still have to buy a lot of things. I still have to buy a lot of things. I would like a map of the city. I would like a map of the city. I am American. I am American. I am not ready yet. I am not ready yet. The place is north of here. The place is north of here. Let's go out for a walk. Let's go out for a walk. Near the bank. Near the bank. Open the window. Open the window. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. That's too much. That's too much. There is an old office over there. There is an old office over there. I am much better now. I am much better now. What do you want to buy? What do you want to buy? What time does the store open? What time does the store open? What happened after I left? What happened after I left? What an amazing view! What an amazing view! Where are the books? Where are the books? Is there an ATM? Is there an ATM? Are you busy? Are you busy? Drive carefully. Drive carefully. Will you bring that for me? Will you bring that for me? Do you feel better? Do you feel better? Do you like them? Do you like them? Every week. Every week. Have you arrived? Have you arrived? Here it is. Here it is. How would you spell it? How would you spell it? How much is this car? How much is this car? I can't hear you clearly. I can't hear you clearly. I have a cold. I have a cold. I need to go now. I need to go now. I would like to send this letter to London. I would like to send this letter to London. Do you have a reservation? Do you have a reservation? I am 30 years old. I am 30 years old. I don't understand anything. I don't understand anything. I am lost. I am lost. Is everything okay? Is everything okay? Is this key yours? Is this key yours? Here I am. Here I am. His birthday is on 21st of June. His birthday is on 21st of June. I lost everything. I lost everything. On the left. On the left. Wait 2 minutes for me. Wait 2 minutes for me. Take me to the police station. Take me to the police station. That's not enough. That's not enough. The whole day. The whole day. They are speaking English. They are speaking English. They are speaking English. The whole day. The whole day. They are speaking English. They are speaking English. The whole day. The whole day. They are speaking English. They are speaking English. They are speaking English. They are speaking English. The whole day. The whole day. They are speaking English. What do you study? What do you study? What time did you get up? What time did you get up? What's up? What's up? No one was there then. No one was there then. Where is the tea shop? Where is the tea shop? Are you American? Are you American? What are you doing today? What are you doing today? Can you call me back later? Can you call me back later? Do you believe that? Do you believe that? Do you like your boss? Do you like your boss? You should quit smoking. You should quit smoking. Should I wait for you here? Should I wait for you here? I am just watching TV. I am just watching TV. The train just left. The train just left. He made a mistake. He made a mistake. Butter is made from milk. Butter is made from milk. When will you be back? When will you be back? Don't worry. Don't worry. Have they met him? Have they met him? Here is your salad. Here is your salad. How do you spell it? How do you spell it? What is the total price? What is the total price? Or how much altogether? How much altogether? Can I eat this? Can I eat this? Can we talk in private? Can we talk in private? I got in an accident. I got in an accident. I need to go to the office. I need to go to the office. I want to give you a flower. I want to give you a flower. I would like to make a call. I would like to make a call. I will tell him you called. I will tell him you called. I am looking for a tea shop. I am looking for a tea shop. Is anyone else coming? Is anyone else coming? Excuse me, is this your seat? Excuse me, is this your seat? What kind of fish is this? What kind of fish is this? It's 10:30. It's 10:30. He's going on vacation from tomorrow. He's going on vacation from tomorrow. My house is near the station. My house is near the station. Are you feeling okay? Are you feeling okay? Don't tell me what to do. Don't tell me what to do. Did she tell you her name? Did she tell you her name? I will check your temperature. I will check your temperature. That's the first I have heard of it. That's the first I have heard of it. The phone is broken. The phone is broken. The house is very messy. The house is very messy. What do people usually do in summer here? What do people usually do in summer here? When will you go to the store? When will you go to the store? What is the date today? What is the date today? When does the plane arrive? When does the plane arrive? Where is it? Where is it? Are you allergic to anything? Are you allergic to anything? What time did it happen? What time did it happen? Can you call back later? Can you call back later? Do you like to watch TV? Do you like to watch TV? Don't do that. Don't do that. Have a good trip. Have a good trip. How do you say it in English? How do you say it in English? How many people come to the party? How many people come to the party? I came with my family. I came with my family. I give up. I give up. I need to change clothes. I need to change clothes. I want to contact with them. I want to contact with them. I would like to go to the store. I would like to go to the store. I will teach you sentences. I will teach you sentences. I am leaving tomorrow. I am leaving tomorrow. The trains come every 10 minutes. The trains come every 10 minutes. It happened a few minutes ago. It happened a few minutes ago. Is the place safe? Is the place safe? It's going to snow today. It's going to snow today. I have worked there for 10 years. I have worked there for 10 years. My grandfather passed away last year. My grandfather passed away last year. Of course, he is an excellent doctor. Of course, he is an excellent doctor. Is it possible? Is it possible? Absolutely possible. Absolutely possible. Is your brother here? Is your brother here? Yes, he is here. Yes, he is here. No, he is not here. No, he is not here. What do you think? What do you think? I think it should be done. I think it should be done. When does the game begin? When does the game begin? Or when will the game start? When will the game start? It will start shortly. It will start shortly. Or it will start a little later. It will start a little later. What's your last name? What's your last name? My last name is Roy. My last name is Roy. When would you like to meet? When would you like to meet? Or when do you want to meet? When do you want to meet? I would like to meet you at night. I would like to meet you at night. Is there a doctor? Is there a doctor? Yes, there is. Yes, there is. Are you alone here? Are you alone here? No, I stay with my parents. No, I stay with my parents. Can you give me a good hotel address? Can you give me a good hotel address? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Do you have an appointment? Do you have an appointment? Yes, I have. Yes, I have. Do you smoke? Do you smoke? No, I don't. No, I don't. Have you finished studying? Have you finished studying? Yes, done. Yes, done. Or, yes, I have finished. Yes, I have finished. How long does it take by car? How long does it take by car? It takes about an hour. It takes about an hour. How much is this? How much is this? Only $10. Only $10. Is it raining now? Is it raining now? Yes, it is raining now. Yes, it is raining now. How long will you stay? How long will you stay? I will stay here only 10 days. I will stay here only 10 days. Have you ever eaten soup? Have you ever eaten soup? Or have you ever had soup? Have you ever had soup? Yes, I ate chicken soup once. Yes, I ate chicken soup once. When do we leave? When do we leave? We will go a little later. We will go a little later. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in Paris. I live in Paris. Which is better? Which is better? It's the best. It's the best. How are you today? How are you today? I am much better today. I am much better today. How is business? How is business? Not very good. Not very good. What did you say? What did you say? I didn't say anything. I didn't say anything. Is there a bank nearby? Is there a bank nearby? Yes, there is. Yes, there is. What is it? What is it? It's a chicken salad. It's a chicken salad. What is the date today? What is the date today? Today is the 18th. Today is the 18th. When will they come? When will they come? They will come at night. They will come at night. Will you go by plane or train? Will you go by plane or train? I will go by plane. I will go by plane. Do you have a car? Do you have a car? We have 2 cars. We have 2 cars. What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? I love to play the piano. I love to play the piano. What is that? What is that? That's a temple. That's a temple. Do you know what this means? Do you know what this means? No, I don't know. No, I don't know. Are you working tomorrow? Are you working tomorrow? No, I will take leave tomorrow. No, I will take leave tomorrow. How long have you been here? How long have you been here? I will stay here for a month. I will stay here for a month. Is the battery connected correctly? Is the battery connected correctly? Yes, it is connected properly. Yes, it is connected properly. Can I see your passport, please? Can I see your passport, please? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Do you want me to come and pick you up? Do you want me to come and pick you up? No, you don't have to come. No, you don't have to come. Would you please spell your name? Would you please spell your name? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. What are you two talking about? What are you two talking about? We are talking about college. We are talking about college. Where did you work before? Where did you work before? No, I didn't work anywhere. No, I didn't work anywhere. Which is better, chicken or fish? Which is better, chicken or fish? I like fish more. I like fish more. Can you please say that again? Can you please say that again? Yes, I say again. Yes, I say again. Do you work in a drugstore? Do you work in a drugstore? No, I work in a bank. No, I work in a bank. Could you exchange this, please? Could you exchange this, please? No, your time is up. No, your time is up. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.